Right, so time to refuel. Auto filler. So I'm just going to fill it all the way until it clicks. Note the number, 511.9 miles, and that was 42.99 litres. Right, so coming back from the Tesco's fuel station, I think it's 122.9p per litre. It tends to be cheaper. Tesco's, going back 15 years ago, Tesco's fuel was really bad. It used to just fly through your whatever car you was using. I can confirm that, and they even went through a spate of being accused of using poor quality fuel. They used to block injectors. These days, after they had some warnings on that from whoever, they improved their fuel a lot, and usually I find that their fuel is one of the best now, cheapest and the best quality, lasts the longest. So as you see, I filled up until it clicked, and it was 42.99 litres. You can see that. Let me zoom in a bit more. Turn that light so it's not too harsh. Right, 42.99 litres. And there is, I need to multiply this by a factor of 0.199. That gives me it in gallons. So using a calculator, so 42.99 times 0.199 equals 8.555 gallons. Now I did, and this is what I'm showing you is the best way to work out your real miles per gallon is. So I've been driving 50, 60 mile trips a few times on this. I've not refueled in 3 weeks. I wanted to do all long trips, 50, 60 mile A roads, but I had to take it and use it for work as well, commuting. So chuck in there about 10 journeys of commuting, going to the gym, heavy traffic. So that would have decreased my miles per gallon. And I did 500. So I wanted to give it the best case scenario. But this what you're getting to get now is a real case scenario. So miles per gallon is just divide that by that. So 511.9 divided by 8.555 equals. So this is a Ford Focus 120 brake horsepower 1.5 litre diesel estate. That's important, isn't it? Estate is a bit heavier. And this is a real miles per gallon done by me on this channel to help you out. So I got, whoa, okay. I wasn't expecting, I was expecting a bit lower than that. So real miles per gallon is going around town, going commuting, travelling 60 mile trips, 59.83. I think I could have squeezed out about 62 miles per gallon, 63 if I had or maybe even 64, maybe if I had done no commuting and no going to the gym, just long journeys. I probably would have pushed it into the mid 60s. So probably I would say out of that tank, 60% of it was ideal, travelling long distance A roads, and probably 40% was not ideal. So I reckon I could get mid 60s. So Ford Focus 1.5, and this car's done 107,000 miles. Pretty darn good. Very, very good. So I would recommend it if you were looking for a fuel efficient car, because this has done me quite well, and I haven't refueled in 3 weeks. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, leave any comments. Oh, one more thing, the overall computer was telling me I was getting 55.6 miles per gallon. So the real miles per gallon, by doing it this way, is actually better than what the trip computer is telling me. So thumbs up all round for that.